not scared of lions and tigers and
New Ferrari outside.
I'm not scared of love. Why do we love love when love seems to hate us?
Leave me, pimping out on me. Already, got what you needed, I got it.
Hey y'all, so basically we is at Bath and Body. I have to return 2 candles that I had got because when I burnt them I couldn't smell them, so yeah, they're going back. And they so happen to have like an annual semi-annual sale or whatever, like $10.95 3-wick candles. They probably all stink, but we gonna see. Anyways, I may or may not take y'all with me. Stay tuned.
Sorry, didn't notice you there. Then again, you didn't notice me. So we'll remain passers-by until the next time we speak. I hope that I can make you mine for another night. Steals your heart, and once your beauty is mine, I said we will never be apart. If you look good at that, if you look good at
Hey y'all, so my family
She get in the back. She get over there.
in St. Augustine.
Over there.
Basically, my family went to the Airbnb and they're cooking out. Is somebody, you want to be on the camera?
I thought she
But
could
light right about her.
You did it correct. Don't like that, but let it slide. This side.
You?
Only you.
Do something else.
Spin around.
Do it back.
It's you for me. Jordan. Oh my God, that's Lily right there. Hold on. Lippers in the.
Shut up.
No, she did.
Alright, y'all, so we are walking to the beach, St. Augustine Beach.
No. What'd I say? You looking for? Yeah, take pictures.
Y'all, I'm about to get my shoes messed up, mess around with them.
I'll hide your shoes.
Shut up.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. No Uber right at my house, you caught a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that in.
Hey y'all, so today is Monday and I'm just checking in because I haven't been checking in or whatever, and I'm at the car wash, but I'm like at a new car wash because because basically I've been saying I want to get like my car hand wash versus keep going through like the automatic wash, because of course, as you know, that scratches up your car and it leaves like swirls in your paint. So for all y'all that didn't know, the automatic wash is not good, and you should really get your car hand washed. So I'm at the new car wash or whatever it's called, Pit Stop, if you're in Orlando, and I'm about to see how they do my car or whatever. Stay tuned.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my whole phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much that I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found in situ.
Hey y'all, so I'm in the kitchen and I'm cooking. I haven't showed y'all like me cooking in a little minute, so I decided to turn on the camera and let y'all see the process. Tonight, basically, I'm making shrimp alfredo and garlic bread. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I make it. So right now the noodles is boiling. So they got about 5 or 6 more minutes to go. So these are the seasons that I'm gonna use to season the shrimp tonight. I may or may not use the blackened one, but I'm gonna definitely use these other 4 seasonings. And yeah.
Ain't no virtue with you. I done wasted plenty time pacing around, hate this cool. You with bitches on the side and let my mind wander too. You relentless nigga, I don't need brand nigga. Text me like I'm waiting for you to come lie to me. On my days saying shit to hurt me, I can't compete. Still on the way, I lay awake if you not around me. I'm still on you, still gon' feel me. Talk to me in your love language. Show me, yeah, how to connect to you. Help me understand how you speak your love language. That is, I wanna be yours. I can get with your program. Section like a slow jam. Stick around cause I want to. That is, I wanna keep focused. You remind me I'm imperfect and it sucks to admit. Nobody put that purpose in me like you do. Still, nobody get that work up.
When she said you making noises to the food? This bitch is making noises to the food.
I can make your bed right. I can make your bed right, girl. I can make your bed right. She got that good. She Michael Jackson bad. I'm attracted to her for her attractive ass. And now we murderers because we kill time.
Hey y'all, so I just got out of class. It's almost 9 o'clock, but I'm finally on my way back home. And I just decided to check in with y'all or whatever. See you later. Hey y'all, so I'm at Ulta. And I'm grabbing a few things. So this fortune cookie one is my favorite one. I also like the eclair one. And peaches and cream kind of cute as well. Alright y'all, so this is everything that I purchased from Ulta. I got this. I tried this brand, but I never tried this kind of lash glue. So we shall see how it works or lasts. I bought this. I have it on my lips now, and I don't know if I like the color. Like, I mean, it looked like it plumped my lips a little bit, but I don't know. I might show y'all the color. Then I got this. I love this. This lip gloss is so pretty, so silky. Go ahead and get you this. And I have it in this color as well. And how much was my total? $29.79. And that's it, y'all. I also got these from Family Dollar. I never had these before, but I've been wanting to focus. Can it focus? Can it focus? All right. I never had these, but I want to try it, and it has a lot of alcohol in here for it to be so small. But if y'all tried these, let me know how they taste or how y'all. Oh, it's woman owned. I did not know that. That's interesting. Okay, I got this flavor. And then I got this one as well. So we shall see how it tastes. I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sip on them. You feel me? Hey y'all, so let me turn this down. Y'all know I showed y'all those little drinks, baby. So this little drink, baby, let me tell you, this drink got me feeling lovely. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Go to your local Family Dollar. I don't know where else they sell these. I really don't. But if you ever see these, get you one. I have a peach one in the freezer. I'm gonna go back and get the pina colada one. Like, they're only $3. They're sweet. I like sweet stuff. They're good. They get the job done. Like, this little drink has me feeling good. But I think it has me feeling good simply because it has 15% of alcohol in here. So, yeah. I don't know how many ounces this is, but it said 187 milliliters. So if you guys want to do the conversion, you go right ahead. But I'm about to lay down. I just had to check in and tell y'all how to give y'all a little review, you know? And yeah, go ahead and get you one, because it's the truth. Stop playing with guys. Y'all better stop playing with guys.
Learn yourself through me already.